Today I'm going to show you how to get Rocket League Workshop maps to Epic Games in just 1 minute. First open the internet, search Steam Workshop Downloader, click on the first link with IO, paste in the link of the workshop map and then press download. Then click Files, then click Downloads, then right click on the workshop map and then extract it. And then you should see 3 files. Right click on the UTK file and rename it labs_underpass_p.upk. Make sure to write it exactly like this. Place the tab over here, open up a new file explorer, go to Rocket League, TA game, cooked PC console, scroll down to find labs_underpass_p.upk and rename, adding _backup after the P. Then just drag this file to the cooked PC console. Then open up Rocket League, click training, then click free play, click on the underpass map, and that is Rocket League Workshops in 1 minute.